Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about the third standard I/O stream. You already know the first two. One is input, the other is output, and the third one is error. And this comes in when you're dealing with exceptions, because you're dealing with errors in your computer that is throwing an exception. And I showed you in a try-catch block how to make a customized, printing something out type of, to let you know that a exception was thrown. So I'm going to show you what system.error.println will do. So let me set this up. Public static void main string, and take some args, and let's say open some curly brackets. Instead of doing scanner, let me do something else that I can put a try catch block around. Let's say int num array, and we are going to put a few elements in there this way. Okay, so we have a 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 5. That's 6 elements. And as you know, if it wanted to reference this element right here, it would be 5. It just happens to be the actual 5, but it would be the 5th element because, like I've told you before, it starts counting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say that we wanted to system.out.println, we wanted to print num, and inside of here we just said num.length. Okay, that's going to throw an error because num.length is 6, so it's pretty much saying num and then 6 in here. You don't have to handle this. This is a unchecked exception, but we can handle it if we want. So let's make a try catch around this. Set this up a little bit. Try, and then we're going to say catch, and we are going to say array index out of bounds exception, and every letter is capitalized in here. Just label that E if we want. And down here we can say system dot, and right down here you see the 3 standard input streams, or standard streams, which is ERR for error, N for input stream, which is usually when something is coming into the program. Out is when you're printing something out to the screen or to whatever device you're using. So if we put error right here, we still have the same print line method available to us, and we're going to say e.getMessage, and let's see what happens. Well, it said 6. That's not very descriptive. Let me make that more descriptive. Array index out of bounds at index and then run that, and the whole thing will be red. It will say array index out of bounds at index 6. So it's telling you that index 6 is out of bounds of this array. So it throws that exception. And that is just the third standard stream. We never really went over that before, but when an exception is thrown, it usually, as you can tell, not from this one, but from mistakes that you've probably written trying to learn Java, a lot of the exceptions down here will be red, and that they're using the error stream to throw those. So that's that on the Airstream, and please join me in my next tutorial and subscribe. Thank you.